everybody, and thank you for joining us at the Mentor Public Library for Virtual Family Story Time. My name is Mallory, and this week we're going to be reading books about baking. Yum yum. So to get things started, we are going to be singing a welcome song, all right? So we're going to clap our hands and stomp our feet and shake our arms and do all three. All right, so let's get started. All right, clap, clap, clap your hands. Let's clap, clap, clap our hands. Let's clap, clap, clap our hands. Let's clap for story time. Let's stomp, stomp, stomp our feet. Let's stomp, stomp, stomp our feet. Let's stomp, stomp, stomp our feet. Let's stomp for story time. Let's shake, shake, shake our arms. Let's shake, shake, shake our arms. Let's shake, shake, shake our arms. Let's shake for story time. Let's clap, clap, clap our hands. Let's stomp, stomp, stomp our feet. Let's shake, shake, shake our arms. It's time for story time. All right, so let's get started. So the first book we're going to read is called The Duckling Gets a Cookie. Words and Pictures by Mo Willems. The Duckling Gets a Cookie. I do not like the look of that title. Hello. Scooty, scoot, scoot. May I have a cookie, please? Oh, thanks. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all those nuts. Hey, how did you get that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it. Politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So, you got a cookie with nuts just by asking. Politely. I ask for things all the time. I ask to drive the bus. I ask for hot dog parties. Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. I'll ask for a French fry robot every now and then. I've asked for a walrus. Right now I'm asking why. Why, why, why? Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug. Or I'll ask for one more story. I can't count the times I've asked for my own personal iceberg. I ask to stay up late. Oh yeah, I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I ask for? No. It's not fair. Ducklings get everything. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? So I could give it to you. And another thing. How about what? You're giving me that cookie with the nuts. That is so nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Chomp. That is one cool duckling. Chomp. Yes, sir. Bye. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. The end. Well, that was very nice of the duckling to share with the pigeon, wasn't it? All right, so now we are going to sing Patty Cake before we get into our next book, all right? So let's do it all together. Okay. Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, and mark it with the B, and put it in the oven for you and me. All right, one more time. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, and mark it with the B, and put it in the oven for you and me. All right, so let's get into our next book. It is called Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. Uh-oh. The story is by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete and Gus were as busy as could be. They were getting ready for the cupcake party. It started at 3. They were making cupcakes for everyone. Pete and Gus counted them just for fun. Okay, let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They had 10 when they were done. Oh no, hang on. Some of the cupcakes were gone. They were sure there had been 10. Pete said, maybe we need to count again. Okay, so let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They counted the cupcakes lined up straight. Now there were only 8. It looked like someone had taken 2, but who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found a clue. What did they find? I see some cupcake wrappers and sprinkles. Gus said, look what I have found. Sprinkles on the ground. I bet it was Squirrel. She loves sprinkles. Squirrel said, it wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been at the spelling bee. Uh-oh. More cupcakes are missing. Come and see. Oh, so let's count them, okay? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This was too weird. 2 more cupcakes had disappeared. Now there were only 6. Someone must be playing tricks. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found another clue. Look what they found. Footprints. Pete said, I bet it was Alligator. He loves to eat. Alligator said, it wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been learning my ABCs. Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. So let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there were only 4. Someone had taken 2 more, but who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found another clue. Look what they found, a ladder. That must be how they're getting to the cupcakes. I bet it was Turtle, said Pete. I know Turtle loves sweets. Turtle said, it wasn't me, it couldn't be. I've been swimming in the sea. Uh-oh, do you see what's going on? More cupcakes are missing. Come and see. What on earth was going on? All the cupcakes were now gone. Oh no. Pete and Gus did not know what to do. They started looking for another clue. So let's follow the clue. So here's our ladder, some cupcake wrappers and sprinkles, and the footprints. Let's see where it takes us. They found Grumpy Toad with icing on his face. Pete and Gus have solved the case. I am so sorry. It was me. I could not stop with just one. I ate and ate till there were none. Everyone agreed. Grumpy Toad would have to miss the fun. He could not come after what he had done. Pete said, "But wait, Grumpy Toad made a mistake. This is true. Let's give him a second chance." That's what friends do. Pete told Grumpy Toad they would give him another chance. He was so excited, he did a happy dance. The night of the party was so much fun. Grumpy Toad brought more than enough cupcakes for everyone. Pete the Cat's Cupcake Party. The end. Well, that party looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. So to end things, we are going to do a little rhyme called Down Around the Corner in the Bakery Shop. Okay, so down around the corner in the bakery shop were 5 yummy cupcakes with sprinkles on top. Along comes Skunk with $1 to pay. She buys a cupcake and takes it away. So down around the corner in the bakery shop were 4 yummy cupcakes with sprinkles on top. Along comes Bumblebee with $1 to pay. He buys a cupcake, takes it away. Down around the corner in the bakery shop were 3 yummy cupcakes with sprinkles on top. Along comes Bear with $1 to pay. She buys a cupcake, takes it away. Down around the corner in the bakery shop were 2 yummy cupcakes with sprinkles on top. Along comes Mouse with $1 to pay. She buys a cupcake, takes it away. Down around the corner in the bakery shop, there is 1 yummy cupcake with sprinkles on top. Along comes Bunny with $1 to pay. She buys the cupcake, takes it away. All right, everybody, that's the end of our story time. Thank you so much for joining us and hope to see you next week. All right, bye.